Hello. Welcome back to Gardening for Health and Wellbeing. So in today's little video, I'm just going to be uppotting some loofa plants and some experiment tomato seeds that I put into a pot just from a slice of a really nice tomato that I bought from the shop. It was an organic tomato, so I decided to cut one of the slice and just put it into a pot and see if I got any germination, and I ended up getting so many germinated. I ended up only uppotting 9 of the little tomato plants, and with the loofahs, I thought before we had the rain, I thought I counted about 7. After the rain and about a week later when I'm uppotting this, I am actually uppotting 11 loofa seedlings, and so that means 11 out of 14 of the seeds germinated that I originally put into the pots. So I think that's a really good germination rate for those first saved seeds of my first ever sowing of loofa. And that was last year, and then I saved the seed and decided to try growing my own from the saved seed. So the quality of these ones should be a little bit better because they are a bit more used to our temperature and everything, but we'll see how we go. So I'm going to be keeping probably 2 or 3 loofa plants, and then I'm going to get rid of the rest, either take some to work or put them out the front of my house. Same with the tomato plants. I will save about probably 4 of the strongest, or what I deem to be the strongest plants, and I will grow them on in my own garden, and then put the rest out the front of the house so that other people can enjoy them as well in their garden. So I'm just using a all-purpose compost or potting mix, whatever you want to call it. It's not the greatest, it's just the cheapest that I had at that time. Yeah, I'm just hoping that I get the roots established on the individual plants before I uppot them in their last position in the actual garden. But other than that, I just waiting for the spring and summer season to get really started, and can't wait for everything to start growing and displaying its beauty for us to enjoy. And I am burying these tomato plants deeper than they originally were, so that the little hairs on the stem can form new roots and make the plant even stronger as well. But if you enjoyed this video, I know it was only a very quick little video, but please share, like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.